What's up, guys? I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm here with Papa.
Hey.
Crazy. So, where's my scissors? Where did my scissors go? Okay, as you guessed it, since I said scissors, we're unboxing. Yay. So, it's a baby alive, called a fairy baby alive, so let's just...
Would you like me to help you?
Yeah, do you have your knife?
No. Yes, I do have my knife.
Okay.
But I don't have my glasses, so you might want to stand back. There's one cut. Two cuts.
And on the other half, we have Monster Hair Ghouls, Electrified, the movie, and we have this is okay. So this, guys, is like a face paint thing. This is not what the other half is for. This goes on her back. She can become a fairy. And this you need to like open up somehow. If Papa could help me with that after he's done. Because it's supposed to like draw her face paint. So far we got these. And then Papa's going to get the other. Oh, we also have her diapers. Her little cup.
$5.
I try to drink those teas.
Papa, I'm going to need help because these can't like open properly. Oh, here's the other diaper, guys.
All I drink is water
So this is 6 hair accessories.
and milk.
And her name is Twyla, daughter
I'll
of
take that back. I will
Boogie.
drink twice a week. I'll get orange juice, but there's acid in the orange juice.
Okay, guys. So
Look,
here.
don't we look like twins?
Don't we look like two? Not Papa and stuff. Okay, guys. So the first thing we're going to do is put the diaper on. So just in case.
Yeah, you might want to do that.
Just a little bit.
And then go.
I will.
And you
Because
show them that
don't.
you have a new box of diapers as well.
Yeah, I showed them already. I'm going to need help with this. It's like a real diaper. So
That's okay, that better be the only one they have.
Yeah.
I couldn't afford it.
No.
Papa, I'm going to need some help here.
Okay. Well, first of all, you never change a baby upside down.
Well, I don't know how to put the
So let me
diaper on.
educate you on
So-
changing a baby's diaper. The
Okay.
first thing you want to do is
Wait,
you want to
get
place
the
the
camera
baby
on.
about midways of the diaper. And then you want to pull the front of the diaper up between the baby's legs. And you want to fold it over like that.
Like so.
Then, once you do that, then you undo this tab right here that has a sticky part on it. And you wrap that, and that side of the baby is taken care
What
of.
is this?
We're going to fold that under her dress.
Okay.
And then you got to raise her arms up and tell her wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. She wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And then we got to pull the dress out of her
But-
backside.
Okay, so
Then-
pull the dress down because it's like all.
Okay, well, then you smack the
Hey,
baby on the
wait.
table. Make sure you shake any extra poo out of her. There you go.
And can you open these two things?
Yes. So would you like some water in this for your baby?
Yeah, and then you need to put ice cold water in this.
Okay.
Oh, I don't think babies like ice cold water.
This thing says, but I don't have my glasses.
Yeah,
It says
because it's
something
like
about
face
ice-
paint.
It
Okay,
says something about
okay,
ice cold
there.
water on the instructions.
Oh, it does?
Yeah, it says put in ice cold water for the face paint.
Oh, it's face paint.
Mhm.
Well,
But not like get anything everywhere.
okay.
Anyway, so we have our new little baby fairy. So I'm just
Bottles,
going
you can
to
put whatever kind of
set
water.
that aside. Hey, Mom, I'm doing a video for my baby life. The one that drinks and stuff.
Oh, great.
Yeah, and it goes pee, and she just learned how to put a diaper on a baby.
Mhm.
And
He did the demonstration for it.
yeah.
And it's a fairy. So next up, guys, we have the Monster Idol.
Put ice cold water in
That's
this?
what it says, yeah, and apparently it's face paint or something. I'm gonna read the directions. Actually, I have asked. Here's your baby's bottle.
Okay. There.
Let's see what this water's for.
So
It says,
we got the little cup, guys. So
oh yeah,
she is
fill
about
with
to
ice
eat.
water, reveal,
I
remove,
just need a.
and repeat. So you can draw on the baby's head.
Let me see. Wait, don't let it pee yet.
Maybe not cold enough?
What does it mean reveal? That doesn't make sense.
It's right there. You can see it. It's just
Hey, her ice cream cone is in the freezer inside of a coffee cup.
okay.
'Cause we were gonna go to Sonic and get an ice cream, but she wanted McDonald's so she can get back here with her dog.
Oh.
Okay, Papa, can you unbox this?
Yes, I already started
So-
unboxing that.
Yeah, but the stuff isn't.
She tried to talk me into buying a kayak for myself because I never buy myself anything. That's what she
Oh, it's
said.
so sweet that she thinks about us after we.
Yeah, that's really what she thought I was gonna wait.
So I am feeding her right now. Mom, I am feeding her.
One doll coming free.
Alright, so we got this for this week. I guess we'll figure out who's.
There we go, guys. You can see her drinking right
Now
now.
we put this in the refrigerator.
Yeah.
Okay, so get up.
There's the doll. She can't stand up very well.
You guys got water and things to take down there with you? Alright.
Hey,
Wait, hold
How you
on.
doing?
all right.
Okay,
Playing with
so
dolls,
we need
apparently.
to.
You what?
Playing with dolls.
Playing with dolls?
Yeah.
Whatever gets you through the day.
He was making a video.
I was making a video on how to change a doll's diaper for Courtney.
No, it's not
Okay,
how
so
to.
so this goes in her hair like so.
Don't put it in her hair.
Alright, do you want me to undo all these hair
You want
thingies?
that for lunch or you want to
It feels like she already peed.
I wouldn't be changing her diapers all the time.
I'm gonna mop
Because
some
if
of
you change your diapers all the time, you're gonna be
No,
without
I dropped
diapers.
water.
that. Oh, I'm gonna.
I'm not. I'm going to wait until. Okay, guys. So I'm going to drink this now.
This is fine for lunch
Okay.
this week. Just you can have this today.
Nom nom.
Okay, well give me some sugar. I'm gonna go get out of this heat and go sit on my couch. And I'm gonna go enjoy a Sunday by doing absolutely nothing.
Oh, Mom, it's coming up now. You just need here. Try pushing on it.
I am pushing on it.
So,
Well, don't
read
hit
the
it.
instructions. Should be some more instructions.
Fill with ice water.
But,
Did that.
and so next Saturday, you coming over?
Yeah, she's gonna go to piano.
So here's
Well-
the
Monday
doll.
next week, she's gonna
It's so
spend like
pretty.
30 minutes a day out there.
Is she?
Yeah, because she's missed.
Here, let me try, Mom.
Oh,
No,
yeah.
it needs more
She's missed
cold
several
water.
weeks that I paid for.
Oh, yeah.
It needs like.
So she needs to make up her time.
Well, the piano teacher said if she had her for like 2 to 3 days in a row,
Right.
she's gonna pick up and go a little faster
Well, that's-
because you're concentrating on it.
So her piano is next Saturday.
So guys, she is
Well, I was gonna
drinking
pick her
right
up
now.
probably
So.
Mid-afternoon.
Yeah, she'll be back.
Hopefully they can make it this Saturday.
It'll either be at 9:30 in
I'm
the morning
naming her
or it'll be
Peppermint.
at 12, and she'll only do one class that day. And then we're gonna try to work something out where she's going
'Cause I'm-
a half a day and doing, she wants vocal class as well. She said she's
Papa.
gonna be a singer, and I'm trying to tell her, to be a singer, you gotta learn to play the piano,
That's right.
and you gotta learn to
You
play.
gotta learn
Music.
tones. So, everyone, this is how you give your granddaughter a wet willy.
I know.
I got her.
Hey,
Indeed.
her
I got
wet.
some more.
I gotta go. Bye, I love you.
Stop! You're making me spill it.
Hey, hey,
Yes.
what do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I said.
If you get 2 of those, she's like, oh, that other one's real expensive. I know you're rich, but I don't.
She says the same thing to me. I go, not that.
Here, Mom.
All right.
Anyway, guys, so we're trying to chug this thing down her. Not to be creepy at all, but she drank that much. That's a lot. It's like to right here, so.
He was looking at the net. He didn't know what it was.
But I will soon I'll do more stuff with her about like feeding her and stuff like that. Not. So as you can see, I am actually not in my house. Actually, I am, but like she isn't. Yeah. She.
Here's more.
Ow! She's behind
I
me.
didn't know so.
I felt her lips close a little.
I don't know if she's ever eaten that one.
Oh, there we go. That's pretty. So we're going to let her dry. Mom, there's no stuff right there.
It just.
Mom, you just erased the heart.
I didn't erase it. It's not cold enough for it to stay. So it's in a thing of ice water.
Here, freeze it for a little
I
bit.
am. No. Can I have a bite of your?
Yeah, but be careful. Anyway, next to that, Mommy's going to keep working on that, and she's going to keep drinking. So I'm just going to sit it right here and push down. Okay, so next doll we have this, a Monster Idol,
Where'd you get
which
your
I've
this?
been.
Your, that's cute.
It's my little baby alive doll. Oh. So, it has a little mistake
I got
that
Actually, really good.
I got that water for $3.99 opposed to $5.99. Publix. Okay. So I got this. I got orange juice. Big thing of orange juice.
Ow, just hurt me. So guys, as we can all see, she has her little necklace and stuff. And we can also take the necklace off. So right now, let's take it
I
off.
have no idea.
Who's
There.
got those? Walmart.
Hey, give me a
So it looks like
yeah, that's good.
the Draculaura stuff. Oh, and then we have one of these. We have actually two, I believe. Yeah, so let's get those out. So I'm going to use my scissors
I
again.
wish we had chopped ice. I guess we're gonna have to.
See, this is all we have.
Do it. She got all kind of ice. I figured one day we could have
So
we could
let's
cook the rest of
chop
bratwurst.
this up.
and you and I.
We are like 12 minutes into this video, so
And I figured you and I could have the
it
That's
kinda
a pretty long
takes a
video,
while.
Portland.
I know, Mom, don't touch me. I'm going to make a part 2 when I get these out, so
just so that you make.
leave a like and subscribe and go to unboxing part 2 of Baby Alive and Monster Idol.